Today we are going to be learning English idioms with meanings and sentences. Bite back. Respond angrily or aggressively. The mosquito couldn't bite back. I hit it right away. She always bites back with a fake smile during argument. Back down. Withdraw from a position or argument. The chief backed down from his position after protest. She tried to back down from arguments. Cave in means to give in or surrender, often due to pressure and to collapse. Pressure from authority made him cave in to their demands. The tunnel caved in after the explosion. Dig up. Find or uncover information or evidence and extract something from the ground. He dug up information on his family history. The archaeologists dug up ancient artifacts at the site. Drag on. Last longer than expected or desired. The hot summers drag on this year. The meeting dragged on for hours, boring everyone. Head off means to leave or depart often in a hurry. They headed off for the trip early in the morning. She headed off from her office in search of hospital.